So, this is the best way in that unfortunate event, God forbid, hopefully doesn't happen to anybody. Not just you, but anybody on this planet. But if it were to happen, a fire occurs, you may need to consider one of these. Now, there are more expensive safes. There are safes that can be fireproof, not only fire resistant and heat resistant like this one, but in a normal fire, as long as that fire is not extreme scorching, this safe here will do the job perfectly fine, because in that case, documents, extra car keys, whatever, they need to be in one place, and not only to be protected by the fire, but in case you need to rescue them quick and run. The safe is quite a heavy one with a rugged surface. Let me just open it. It's actually quite heavy, the lid too. It's filled with some kind of, I don't know, what do you call that, kind of concrete, or I don't know the material exactly, similar material to what they make the fire tiles or fire bricks. That's what's inside these guys here. Really, really nice build. Comes with 3 copies of the keys. It's the dual side keys. As you see here, I just keep one outside and the other is in another safe from Sentry Safe as well that I will show on the upcoming videos. Yes, I will have 3 products that you might need to consider, but you will see them in the upcoming videos. This safe is the P56 595. Really nice Master Lock company. That's who makes them, Master, which we all know what Master Lock is. And it's really well designed. In my opinion, it has a little handle right here. It closes just like that if I put the key, and boom. Now it's closed. It is not watertight, so you have to make sure you're not buying it for waterproofing, because the lips just close to this point, and that's it. This is meant to be for fire resistance. In case of that unfortunate time, you can take this, or for ruggedness. This is something you can throw around and nothing will really happen to it. The handle is made of that kind of okay quality plastic. This part here is plastic, but that's just a cover plate for the mechanism that's inside. And here, this acts as your handle as well when you open it. On the back, you have number 16 right there. It is really well built in my opinion. And for example, just for comparison of size, or kind of to give you an idea of the size, this is a standard A4 document, or what we would call US letter. And the fitting is just perfect on the bottom of this case. And you would throw, for example, your important documents. And in my case, I would keep a copy of the car keys, just so there's a copy of them in here, just in case. You never know when you need that copy. A copy of the important documents is on a USB as well, not only the paper. Just in case a fire occurs and the firefighters come in, they'll throw water everywhere. That's just a given. And I'm thankful for their services, by the way. They'll throw water everywhere. If water goes in, there's a chance that there might get water inside. Why not have one of the USBs too? These guys, if you let it dry, 99% of the chances are that it will actually work. So now, except that, additionally, I throw a cell phone. It's a very simple cell phone. Yes, it actually works and has a SIM card on it. This is what I call my emergency phone. Just in case everything else burns or goes out, this phone here goes in the safe. And jewelry, I'm not sure if I have much, but just whatever I have, toss it right there, close it, and throw it somewhere safe in the house, and keep the key somewhere with me, somewhere safe. So now this one would be ready to go and serve you when you need it. Yes, you can store money, you can store whatever else that's important to you in this one. Now, this is not what I would call tamper-proof. This is not as much for that kind of robbery safety, because obviously you can just grab the whole thing and run. This is more for the fire protection safety. That's the base job of this safe right here. We call it safe, but it's exactly a fire safe. And overall, I love the build. I've had it for years now. And yes, it's made by Sentry Safe. I will leave links on description regarding this safe. If you want to buy it from that link, I make a very tiny commission, which supports me and this channel without any extra cost to you, except for a thank you from me and everybody dependent on this channel. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. I will take a look at 2 more Sentry products that I think are really good to have. What are they? You will see soon enough in the upcoming videos on this channel, and I truly appreciate you watching these videos. I thank you for taking your time to click like and subscribe if you do so, and that will never be taken for granted. Always appreciate it. Thank you. And with that said, bye!